As a front-end developer at Coolblue, the main focus, of course, is working on the webshop, but there's a lot of other stuff that we do as well.
I make sure everything looks nice on the screen.
And that just goes a little bit further than just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You also are involved with deployment, HTTPS, HTTP2, testing on mobile devices, automating user interface tests.
At Coolblue we have a lot of developers, and we could create an endless amount of teams, but to make that a bit more manageable, we group teams into families, and they all have their own working domain. So as a developer, it often feels more like you're working for a small company or a small startup than a really big company that Coolblue is.
Our mentality is just do it. Sometimes you're like, I'm kind of like afraid to do this, but you know what, just go down into that rabbit hole and just see where you end up with.
You have no limits in budgets, in time you can handle on new features. So you really get the time to implement stuff in the right way with enough time you actually really need.
It's always about getting that bit of extra conversion. So quality is very important for us. Accessibility, search engine optimization, those are keywords in our development process.
Here at Coolblue we work at Scrum. We really brief Scrum, not just development teams, but actually like all the teams here at Coolblue.
We start with a stand-up each morning, and we also, at the end of our sprints, which are 2-week sprints, we have retrospective and we check what was going well, what could go better. We really focus on improving and using Scrum the way it's supposed to be.
Developers are always stimulated to get better at their job, not just technically but also personally. I mean, there's always courses to go to, there's always knowledge to share, and there's always team leads to help you or co-workers to help you achieve what you want to achieve.
It's not just all work and no play here, you know. In the meantime, you just play some table soccer or have a drink.
The most fun thing about Coolblue, I find, is the energy. With 2,000 men plus in the organization, you can really feel the urge of wanting to become better and strive for the best. Everybody, in a way, has that kind of same energy level. It's weird. It's weird, but good. I don't have a nickname, but they all find me very relaxed and a likable guy.